I'm going to be completely isolated in this house for 7 days.
I'm closing the door now. It's gonna be the last time I'm gonna see you. All right, no human contact.
I will have no access to my phone, laptop, TVs, and no human contact. And even though I will have everything I would want in this house,
I'm so excited.
I'm literally going to be completely cut off from the outside world for 7 days. But first, I'm going to do some exploring. This house has 22 bedrooms.
This is the Batman room. There's even a bench sticking out of the wall. That's pretty awesome. Whoa!
20 bathrooms.
Whoa.
A basketball court.
Oh my goodness.
Bowling alley. And a giant pool that even has a lazy river. Everything is awesome, except for the fact that I'm